Alright, chat. We're back. Phil and I are chilling out on some PlateUp, as you can tell. Cooling down from the Div 2 bullshit that we had to put up with earlier.
Yeah, another coffee maker would fucking be nice.
That's right, I forgot you were looking for that.
Yeah. No fucking thing on coffee makers going out of style.
Like a real barista would.
I enclosed myself in this thing.
Feels like I can't get nothing, even if I wanted to.
Just left and right. Up, down.
Come on, brother.
We got a nice little system happening here, brother.
Remix.
Coffee gods.
Fuck. Just realistically, you'd be like spilling coffee everywhere, just lifting it that up that quickly.
Fuck you, imagine. What's this? I don't want fucking breadsticks. I want a motherfucking
It's just not giving you a coffee machine, Bretta.
You son of a bitch. Back in my fucking hole.
That's what she said.
Right?
Yeah, get another freaking dining room table to at least make some more money.
There's actually another dining table over here.
Eh.
Here, hold on.
I mean, I didn't want to get another one just because we're supposed to be saving up money, bro. Now we're back down to $13.
We sure are. We got this.
Feels like, 'cause I don't give a fuck. Okay, well, they get to have the VIP room then. They can have the VIP room. This fucking guy doesn't know how to spend our money. Let's go, bro.
Oh, hold on.
Damn it.
Look at all these coffees, bro.
You could have made more, to be honest. Like,
You know what? I might utilize this counter space right over here and bring it to the other side. Fucking flower pot. A coffee table, you fucking.
they're teasing you with the words, bro. I mean, you could just freaking put it over there with that other door, couldn't you? Oh, shit. Yeah, where that door is, but on the inside. Or no, they'd be blocking from that. Never mind. You'd be blocked in. Never mind. Never mind, man.
You know what? Having that one up there, the fact that it takes them for a while to get up there is kind of nice. You know what I'm saying?
No, because you speak in half sentences.
Okay, because having them close to the door, I feel like it just applies a lot of pressure.
Yeah, man. It's like Queen. Under
I mean,
pressure.
I'm
Do
not
do do
complaining.
do 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 do.
I just
Do
think
do 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 do. Right,
it's
chat?
almost
Do
ideal
do
to
do
have
do
them
do
going
do do.
all the way
Do do
up.
do do. No, I'm bugging.
What?
I'm just bugging, bro. It's not. I'm just bugging. Cracking jokes. But I know what you mean, man. It kind of buys you time. I get it.
Well, it buys us both time.
Especially because, you know, I gotta clean up the VIP room. Like, they're making a mess.
It'd be nice if that fucking ghost up there can do something.
To be fair, we're doing coffee, bro, not anything plate-based, right? So, like, if we chose steaks, then yeah, broski would be grinding right now. But he's just vibing. He's getting paid to vibe right now.
That's what feels good at work. Sounds right. smooth? So it's fucking raining outside. Or it was earlier.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking bullshit.
Why?
I want to go on a little escapade.
Yeah, I know you do.
Fuck. I'm about to grab my spirit box and go on the fucking bedroom. Iced coffee increases mess created by customer. Ah, perfect. I'm not even gonna bother. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. That's a fucking. Fuck you, you stupid ass PlateUp game. That's some fucking serious hate right there. Hold on, don't run it just yet. Put some fucking juice in that fucking vape.
It's chill, bro. It's chill.
Why would we give Mr. Roy a motherfucking coffee maker? Why?
Why would we do that?
Yeah, why? Give me a good reason why.
He's doing good without it.
That's not good enough. That's not working.
Feels like I'm gonna need a better reason than that.
Yeah. Can't fucking get a goddamn coffee pot and motherfucking PlateUp. Can't get the motherfucking birdie backpack in fucking Division 2. Fuck you. The struggles of a gamer, people. Alright, let's go. I'm fucking over it. I'm just gonna fucking finger fuck this A button and just bust coffees like it was going out of style.
Bust coffees like they're nuts, bro.
Right? Fuck, you imagine you had to grind the ground first and then put it in the coffee?
You probably have to do that if you had to make espresso in this game.
Well, yeah, because when they want milk in their coffee, I have to make sure that the milk machine is like full.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you only get like, I think like four out of it. I think, maybe 3. Drop the fucking thing. He's trying so hard to get in there.
That's what she said.
He wants his coffee diet. I want my coffee. damn, they sure make a motherfucking mess, eh?
Well, we kind of selected that, so, you know.
They were fucking joking. It would be really nice if they had that ghost could actually clean up too, man. It'd be nice. Let's stand by this thing.
Damn it, Phil.
Fuck. What do I want art for?
I think you need this calm painting, Phil.
No, I don't need none of that shit. It's not what I want.
Man, not getting a backpack, not getting a coffee machine, man. These games just aren't on your side today, are they, Phil?
No, I don't think so, brother.
Uh,
There. Say drunk coffee there, coffee there. Coffee there, boom, 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 boom. Perfect. I really don't give a fuck about everything else. We gotta open up the letters first. Who wants a blue floor, really?
Everything about this game is just pissing you off since you haven't got your second coffee machine.
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
It's funny.
Aw. Yeah, I like this. Everything's just so confined. Oh, fine. There you go. It's like, you know what I mean? I like all the tables near, close to me, fucking. That, this thing right here is really helpful, I'm not gonna lie. I wish we had another one,
Just a young DJ Khaled.
right?
We the best. Oh.
I'm not even gonna bother opening fucking envelopes. I'm just gonna sit my fucking ass right here. Oh, I got no choice but to open up these fucking envelopes. Yeah, of course. Nothing that Phil needs. Fuck you.
Brew's gonna be able to franchise this freaking with only one coffee machine. He's gonna be telling stories about this for a while. You know, it's gonna be at a point where you're gonna accept your fate and you're just gonna have counter space galore. You know what? Fine. I only have one coffee machine. Give me more counter space.
Yeah, might as well. Fuck you. Give me more. Like I need more extra corner space. Fucking asshole. Yeah, I hope you fucking love it out there. Ah,
Damn it, Phil.
these guys outside are having it. Guys outside are halfway. Shit.
Fuck's sake, man. Like, they can sit down. Okay, fuck it. I guess we're cleaning this. Jeez. Holy fuck. Oh, fuck, we're already here.
Fuck you. Bitch motherfucker.
More customers in the middle of the day, sure.
Why not? It's not like Phil needs another fucking coffee maker.
You got a fucking conveyor
I'll
though.
take that. Thank you very much.
Feels like finally something.
Bring that right over here.
I'll put that right there for you,
Thank
bro.
you very much, sir.
That's all.
I'll take that.
Feels like yeah.
At least there's something.
Something you can use.
Now,
Probably I'll probably put it beside it.
Huh?
I would put it beside it.
Why you gotta be so fucking right all the time?
Yeah, I like how you knew exactly what I meant when I said beside it too.
Still need one more coffee machine though.
Damn it, Phil. Oh, yeah, we got this lunch rush now.
Yeah, no worries. You know, fucking this one coffee maker's gonna get it.
Phil's just done with this one coffee maker shit. I'm laughing because I know you're pissed off about it, bro. Come on, PlateUp, give my boy one coffee machine, come on. I'm sorry, just to have me dying for a bit, I'm sorry, that might have fucked us. I'll take full responsibility for that. That's okay, he'll be fine, he'll be fine. He's gonna win the lawsuit. Oh, man. Man, it says not enough coffee machines. I didn't do any, bro, don't worry. I didn't do none. Oh, that's not what I wanted. That's bullshit. Come on. Fuck. Fucking bullshit. Fuck you. Wow, doing me dirty in this game. Ubisoft must have called these guys. Look at that for that fucking blade. He's clutch with it. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't put the brush back. The fuck? I'm trying to clean.
Suck my dick.
What are you doing, man?
You'll see. Just watch.
You're like, I'm adapting to this one coffee machine bullshit.
Back in my motherfucking stupid ass hole. With my one fucking coffee machine, and I'm gonna make this franchise it. With one coffee machine.
If I could edit the name of the name, I would call it One Coffee Machine. One coffee machine. We're gonna franchise with one coffee machine, chat. Lock in with us. Come on. Oh, fuck, it's too late.
Fuck off.
It's too late. Maybe a little tidying up. Just a little bit, chat. Here comes that lunch rush.
Holy fuck.
Lock in, bro. Make those coffees.
What are you trying to do right now? I've been fucking wanting another one of the fucking coffee machines since fucking the first star, and we're almost at 5.
We're on day 14 right now, bro.
Like, come on, man. Aww. Aww.
Oh shit. Try to clean up a little bit, chat. Just a little bit. Okay, yeah. We've been trying to get you a second coffee machine. Woo. Right.
I'm not even holding my breath. What do I want a metal table for? That's some fucking crap. Real crap.
We're for real gonna franchise this bitch with one fucking coffee machine. Yeah, I'm clipping this for sure. Yeah. And I'm gonna title it Sandwich Man Franchises with one coffee machine. Here, hang on. Let me, just to make it a bit easier.
What's that gonna do?
It's gonna add
Give
patience.
me more coffee, fucking maker.
You know what? There.
Oh,
Have your fucking attitude.
why'd you do that?
Have your fucking attitude. Yeah.
You wanna put that back?
Yeah, have your fucking attitude. I can fuck up your whole flow. Just you know, like that.
No.
Press of a button. Alright, let's go. Oh shit, wrong table.
Now there's impatient. Fuck, impatient.
That's why I put candles out. Candles improves their patience. Come on. Come on. Fuck's sake, man.
The way I'm going, I can make this a 10-star fucking franchise. Fucking go to hell, you fucking.
God damn. Day 15. Will we franchise with one coffee machine? Shops offer metal tables regularly. Start with $50. Let's do start with $50. Give us that bonus.
The fuck do I
Decorative
want?
shit. They're giving us decorative shit, bro.
The fuck do I want that? Come on, man.
God. They just stay spitting in your face, bro.
Yeah, dog, like, yo.
Jeez.
I might as well snug myself in here and just box myself in this little fucking hole. The guy that they don't give a fuck about. Oh, come on, man.
Alright.
Fucking solitary confinement. Was it one coffee at a time now? Is that how it's working? No worries here. Fucking this coffee maker right here is doing amazing. I don't need no fucking second one. Like, really. No. Here we go.
Come on.
Ah.
The motherfucker. You're franchised with one coffee machine, brother. Fast mop, hell yeah.
Really nice that they're helping you a lot. You know, I really appreciate it. The love's real. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh man.
I'll just stay in my little fucking hole over here. Sorry, you take all that garbage out because it's not a fucking coffee maker. Fucking depressing. Are we allowed to save and bring more shit back in?
I think so, yeah. Did you want to do that call tonight? Because it's like 11 o'clock.
After this.
Alright.
Happy go lucky, man. Go frap yourself. Clearly, fucking me pumping out these coffees is not good enough. Yeah, look at that. Let's just get fucking blade everything. Look at him go. Look at that one little fucking coffee.
Man, it's like, that's bullshit. Oh, I really wish you were the party so that they can hear you inside of this place and make it easy. I mean, maybe. Oh, shit.
Fucking zoom.
Yeah, don't worry, I will, bro, don't worry.
Better grab all these motherfucking coffees from one coffee maker. There you go, look at you go, hey, you fucking prick. Five-star fucking joint off one coffee maker. Please be getting everything. Dining tables, fucking strap brush, fucking. Oh, now he's got a mop. Oh, that's an empty coffee. I'm not even paying attention.
Here comes the rush, bro. You might want to fill up this fucking empty mug. Move it, sir. I got orders to make.
Oh, what?
What happened?
Yeah, you know why I was forced to close, right? I can definitely tell you why. You didn't give me another fucking coffee maker.
It's okay, we can franchise.
Like, you just give fucking Blade everything. Oh, that's what we needed. What the fuck was that we just got?
I don't know. We'll see.
Surely. Well, I would definitely like to have fucking this one.
No, remember, whichever ones are highlighted, we get. So the high ones that are highlighted, these are going to be our perks customers. Orders are hidden when not nearby.
We could create
Yeah, we did it last time, yeah. We'll call it one coffee machine.
Fuck you. What do we got? A fucking, okay, what's this one?
That blue tray, a tray stand.
A tray fucking stand. Hold to carry 2 items at once. Oh, how convenient is that?
Pretty sure that helps me more than you.
Ain't fucking doing me anything. Oh my god, man.
Oh man, that's funny. Alright, we'll call it a night, chat. Goddamn. Thanks for tuning in. If you stop by, make sure you follow.
Yeah, fucking tune in tomorrow on a fucking one coffee maker fucking star fucking restaurant. Have a fucking good night. Fucking bullshit.